assistant professor in Department of CSE in SNSCT. Today we are going to see about their cyber security awareness in DD-based manner. So normally in a cyber security we are having a lot of troubles nowadays because of this internet process, and everything is we can get easily every data in every time to the all the persons. Based on that, it's created more problem. So based on that, we have to aware that thing. In between that, we have to produce a good manner in our process. We have to aware of all the things, including our regular routine life also. Okay. Let me start it DT based in the first. Who's telling?
Hi everyone, I am Sanjana. Today we as a team are gathered here to talk about the topic cybersecurity awareness in a DT framework. So let me start with the empathy session. So as we all know, empathy is about talking about the user's perspective and their needs. So coming to cybersecurity awareness, our goal is to know that what people have the perception about the cybersecurity awareness. So their perception can be gained through conducting surveys and also the interviews. So through the surveys and interviews, we can gather general information like people's online behavior, like their habit to set a weak password for highly confidential information, and also them clicking over the unwanted or non-safer links, and also not updating their security settings. So and also we could able to get the information about the emotional barrier of the general people, like what perception they have towards cybersecurity, what they think about cybersecurity awareness. Do they think that cybersecurity is something that is related to too much of technical matter, or what they think like it is something that is not related to me? So what perception does people have about cybersecurity awareness will really help us to move to the next level, that how we can spread this awareness among people more effectively. And the next defined state will be continued by Suprabha.
Hello everyone, I'm Suprabha. I'm going to talk about the phase 2 define cybersecurity awareness in the concept of design thinking, the human-centered approach in which it helps in building knowledge strategies to protect the individual from the cyber attacks. So instead of approaching it as a one-time training, design thinking approach helps it to know about the iterative, user-focused and problem-solving approach. As said by Sanjana, in the first phase, we'll empathize with the users, and in the defining stage, we'll know deep about the problems, which is like phishing, weak passwords, and change our data settings. So the next stage will be explained by Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Darshan. So I'm going to tell about the phase 3 Ideate part, where there are many ideas about cyber security where we can prevent it from happening. So the possible ideas are creating a storytelling videos where people can get aware about the cyber attacks. And second thing, we can create a games where it simulate phishing attacks. And third part is where people can put infographics, posters and small tips in workplaces. And the final part is role play workshops where people can get to know about what cyber attacks really are. So the outcome of this is anyone and everyone will come to know about these cyber attacks. So the next part will be explained by my friend.
Hello everyone. So far we have seen about empathy, define and ideate. Now we are going to see about the next phase, that is prototype. So coming to prototype, we have seen about cyber security, what is about it, and what are the attacks we have seen. So now we are going to develop a platform which is a cyber security awareness platform, which includes we can include some features like indicator tracking system, like if any users face any issues, we can help them to get their issues and we can solve them. And we can add some features like phishing solutions, and companies like Google and Microsoft are conducting phishing simulations for the employees. So by this they can train the employees about the cyber security attacks, and from that they can prevent the upcoming cyber security issues. And apart from this, we can reduce the phishing attacks, malware and privacy and security issues. And it's not about learning about the technology, we should implement it to avoid the cyber issues. And next part will be continued by my friend Sahana.
So I am Sahana. I am going to explain about the evolve phase. So it is regularly used to update the training modules with new threats. For example, ransomware, AI scams, and etc. And also gather long-term feedback. So it is a habit of changing everything. And also we can introduce ongoing challenges like monthly quizzes and security champion programs and more. And also what Sneha said is sending phishing simulation emails to employees, track them to click rates, and also run a pilot workshop and gather participant feedback. And the conclusion part will explain by Sneha.
Okay, so far we have seen about empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test phase. So these are the phases where we go through about the cyber security awareness platform and how we can know about it, how to implement it, and how we can use other prototype models to gather about it, and from this we can know it and we can implement to avoid further cyber security attacks.
Okay, finally, so we are concluded. We have discussed DD-based manner in cyber security awareness. This awareness is mainly for all the people to avoid the attackers. From the attackers, we have to secure our data. So everybody should aware this cyber security. So it's a topmost field nowadays because of this crime only. So we have to secure our data. We have to more aware about this one. Thank you.